What's up, everybody out there in social media land? It's your personal injury attorney, Derek Bernstein, leaving the courthouse here in Clearwater to tell you to always check your notices, right? So you may have an attorney, you may not, and you may put it on your calendar and you think, hey, I got it right, I'm gonna be there, it's gotta be at 8:30, right? Always check the notices the day before your hearing, right? It may say something like it did the other day for an injunction hearing for me, which said, this injunction is gonna be done via Zoom. Please email the JA, get your password, right? If I didn't read that and it just was put on my calendar because I went quick, I wouldn't have known it. Guess what happened to the other person? They didn't read it. They didn't show up. And my client's injunction was dropped. We won, dismissed, because somebody didn't read the notice fully. So always read your notices. If you have any questions about how to find a notice, where to find a notice, what courtroom, all that good stuff, you know how to find me. 727-209-7957. Derek at lawbernstein.com. Have a good one.